Hey, we made it to Friday. It's October 23rd. Happy Friday. Okay, so yesterday we practiced, or I introduced to you, showed you pattern of proof, POP. And you will be using this in the classroom in 6th grade when you get back to school. So it's important that you actually know what it's about, what it means, how to actually do this strategy, because it will be expected of you. So yesterday you practiced on the question that you missed on the formative assessment, the little assessment that you took with 10 questions. And by watching the discussion that I posted for you and the little lesson. So today I'm going to kind of go a little bit further and teach you the specifics of finding patterns of proof. And you're going to actually practice this on 2 questions from a passage that you've already done. So POP, P-O-P. It stands for pattern of proof. Okay. Why should we use this strategy? Why should we use POP? Well, number one, it improves our thinking, and it improves test scores. Up to 40% it improves test scores. So that's helpful. What is it? Pattern of proof is 3 pieces of text evidence that supports your answer or your conclusion that you've drawn. Okay. Pattern of proof. How does it work? Students read the question and determine 3 pieces of text evidence. It can be words or phrases directly from the text to support your answer. So if you were like, oh, Miss Wiley, I chose B, and I'll be like, why did you choose B? Well, you should be able to point to 3 things in the text that prove why B is the answer. If you can't, then B may not be the answer. Okay? So here's an example. This is a little short piece of text. Cassie rolled over in her bed and felt the sunlight hit her face. She felt very rested. She looked up at the clock. 9:48, oh no, she shouted. She jumped out of bed and threw on her outfit. She brushed her teeth in 2 swipes. She threw her books into her backpack and ran out the door. What is Cassie's problem? The reader can conclude that Cassie A is camping, B is trying to find a matching outfit, C is late for school. Okay, which is it? So let's look at A. The reader can conclude that Cassie is camping. Well, I mean, it does say that she felt the sunlight hit her face. She felt rested. Maybe if you're camping on vacation, you might feel rested. But there's really no other evidence that we can prove that she's camping other than that the sunlight came in. But that can happen a lot of places. So you could support it with that one piece of evidence. Sunlight hits you when you do camp. Okay. But I don't know that there's 3 main pieces of evidence. B is trying to find a matching outfit. Let's see. She threw on her outfit. It doesn't say she was looking for a matching one. So I would say this is not even in text. NIT, not in text. C is late for school. Okay, she rolled over in bed, felt the sunlight hit her face. She felt very rested. Obviously, if you're sleeping that late, you would. She looked at the clock. It was 9:48, and she said, oh, no. She jumped out of bed, threw on her outfit. Those are aggressive verbs. Jumped, threw on your outfit, okay? Brushed her teeth in 2 swipes, threw her books in her backpack, ran out the door. That's like hurrying. So I feel like I can kind of prove that with 3 pieces of evidence from the text. Jumped out of bed and threw on her outfit. That would be the first piece of evidence, okay? That's my P. Second piece of evidence. Brush your teeth in 2 swipes. You're only going to do that if you're in a hurry, I hope. That's your O. P, the second P, the third piece of evidence, threw her books in her backpack, ran out the door. Really, all these things are proving that she's late to something, and the only answer choice that shows that she's late is C, is late for school. Now, could she be late for something else? Yes, but that's the only answer choice that I can provide 3 pieces of text evidence, at least, to show that she's late, period. Okay? So That's how you find pattern of proof. You've got to find that textual evidence. So today you're going to actually practice this. You've already done this passage, the fleet set sail. You made 100 on it. 2 of the questions we're going to look at. What can you infer about China in 1403? Okay, the answer is B. It had an advanced culture. I want you to actually type out 3 pieces of text evidence, okay, that supports this answer. It had an advanced culture. So you're going to have to go back and look in the text. What makes you believe, or what shows you that they actually did have an advanced culture? They were more advanced than other places, okay, at the time. Second question, how does Yen probably feel about being part of the fleet? The correct answer is C. He seems fascinated and proud. I want you to provide 3 pieces of text evidence of why this is the answer. Go back to the text. Why is Yen proud and fascinated? Find 3 things that it says right here in the text that would support that goes along with that. Okay, so this is your practice for pattern of proof. It takes some practice, so just do what you think you can do, but your evidence has to come from the text. Okay, and then we'll go over it and talk about it. Okay? All right, have a good day, and submit this when you're finished. Turn it in when you're finished, and we'll talk to you later. Don't forget to read your library book for 15 minutes. Miss Ramsey does have another Harriet the Invincible book at the front office for you with your name on it if you want to bring your other one back and turn it in and get this other one, okay? All right, I'll talk to you later. Thanks.